Alright, so time here to seal the engine halves together using the Permatex Moto Seal gasket maker. Get some assembly lube on those bearings, just make sure they're not dry as we start the engine. It's a two-stroke, so it gets the lubrication from the gasoline. It'll be a little bit dry the first few kicks until we get some gas through there, so you want to make sure they're nice and lubed up before the bike starts. And same with on the seal there, because if that seal isn't doing its job, you're not going to create the vacuum needed to suck in the gas into the crankcase. Much different than a four-stroke.
So something that my dad taught me many years ago as a kid was whenever you're struggling to get these old hand grips off and you don't want to cut them, just use a little bit of compressed air, blow on the end and pull, and as you do that, it'll basically slide right off. Just like that, it's off. Ready to slide the new one on.
Yeah, overfilled that one.
Well guys, that's a wrap for this build here. The PW50 is done, looking fresh, new again, and I think her daughter's going to be real excited to see this for her 3rd birthday next summer. But until then, we gotta put it back down in the basement, keep it hidden, make sure she doesn't see it. But before we do that, let's make sure she still runs. Well, a single Yamaha in a garage full of Hondas. We know the Hondas will never let us down. Let's see how the Yami does. she runs. What do you know? Well, I think our daughter will be really excited to see us for her birthday next year. Anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for some more bike builds.